away the pressure. I knew you was special when I met you. Hate the way you battle your confessions. I wait for you, I gotta know, I gotta know. Who you?
Hey guys, so welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new. And if you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now. And then tap the notification bell so you'll be part of the notification gang. And you will not miss any of my uploads or, you know, anything. So go ahead. I'll wait. Okay. Hopefully you did it, but alright, so this unit is bomb, y'all. This is Model's Jewel. And it is putting Yara to shame in my opinion. Let's get into it. And this is Models. Okay, I don't know if you say model or model. I don't know. So don't come for me if I'm saying it wrong. But this is their deep invisible part wig, and the name is Jewel. So the reason that I say it is a dupe for Yara is because the blunt cut is just literally how Yara's was. But I think I like this one better than Yara because it's thicker. Like, okay, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's like much thicker. It isn't as like thin. Yara was kind of thin, but just giving y'all a little 360. So let me get into some of these specs about this unit. So you know what? This one just takes the cake for me. At this point, wow, it's literally like a reflection of Yara. Like, it's creepy. I'm looking so amazed because I haven't worn Yara since summer last year, so it's just kind of like, what? This is crazy. It is a deep part, so it is not a lace front, which basically means it doesn't, you don't have to cut any lace off. So people usually have a struggle with the deep parts, but I figured out a way that you can make that look like it's a lace front. I'm going to attach the video of how I made this look natural and how you can now not just be upset with your full cap wigs, you can actually wear this. I don't like when it's just the part and no like lace, because the part looks so fake, but I finessed and I know how to make it work now. So more into details about this unit. So the reason that I say this is low-key better than Yara is because Yara is about almost $50 and y'all, this is only like 20 something dollars. The most I see is 24 and some cents. Y'all gotta get this. Okay, so cap construction. There is, I believe there's a comb here, and there's one in the back, and adjustable straps. So boom, you already winning right there. I mean, it's not gonna come off. It's pretty secure. You know, you don't got nothing to worry about. As far as shedding, I got shedding when I was customizing the part. I had to pluck it, and also I cut like a little like V shape into where the cap was like overlaying, and that's what made it look like it's a lace front. And of course I put some powder in it, so that is the only time it shed. Other than that, I mean, like right now, it's not shedding. So it is not a shedder like that. Thank Jesus Christ. Now what I will say that I noticed is the cut isn't as, you know, precise as Yara's, but shoot, for 20 something dollars, Yara who is who? I like the back. The back is really sleek. The texture of this unit, it is like a yaki texture. I did run my flat iron over the front just to have it look a little flatter, and that is how I got it to look so, you know, crisp across the top. I didn't put anything on it or make like put a scarf on or nothing. I didn't do that this time. They carry this in a lot of colors. You'll see when you click on the link below to purchase it. If you do, I hope you do. As far as the specs, I mean, shoot, so far the pros is the part. Look how long that part is, y'all. The part, the cut. you, everything, like the luster isn't even that bad, and I'm surprised because I thought the luster was gonna be horrible. I bought this. This is one of the wigs that I did get from Ebony Line. Do not ever shop there. Do not buy there. Don't, because you're gonna not get your product, or you're gonna have to wait like 2 weeks. But this is one of the ones that I got from them. It just came in the mail today. I think it was like 18 bucks. They had a sale, so I'm like, I just bought a bunch of wigs, and this was a lucky winner. So let me know what y'all think about this, because I'm feeling it, like, and then like it's versatile, like not that versatile, but say it's hot, baby, I could just go like boom. That's so cute. I'm obsessed with this so far, y'all. Like seriously, this is low-key better than Yara. Like, Yara who? This is adorable. I definitely need to buy like 3 more of these for the summer, because I mean, it's like, what's the point of even having Yara now with this out? Seriously. I feel like this didn't get as much recognition as Yara because the part, but now that I found a way to finesse the part, this probably could go crazy in sales, and people are gonna try to buy it because it's literally like Yara, but the price is cut in half, so you're getting like a better deal for the same exact looking wig. This density is just a little bit thicker than Yara, and that is about it. I am feeling it, and it doesn't look the same on the stock part though. I noticed that hers kind of is like very blunt. This has that like whatever you call that. It's like an angled effect. It looks very blunt. I don't know if it's how far they have it set on her head or what, but hers looks like very blunt. I mean, you can get that same look if you just cut these off, but honestly, I like it. So let me know what you guys think about this unit. If you think it's a yes, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like it and you want me to shut up about it, give it a thumbs down. Or if you're just mad, give it a thumbs down and continue to be mad. I am in love with this, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I will leave all the links that I can possibly find. Also, I got this color in a 1, so it probably looks super black to you guys on camera. But yes, I got it in a 1 because I'm like, okay, I want that Kim Kardashian vibe, you know, vibe going on, and I think I achieved it. This is so pretty. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm not really gonna talk about where I got it from because y'all know it took like 2-3 weeks for me to get it. So I will find another source for you guys though, a more reliable wig website, or you can try your local beauty supply. But yes, this is Models. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is their jewel wig, and I'm feeling it. So yeah, thank you guys for coming and watching another video, and of course I will see y'all in the next one.